Hi there, I'm Scott Wilson. I'm a director here at Fullwood Head Dairy Supplies Limited. Fullwood Head Dairy Supplies Limited has been a business since 1981, so we're well established, a company that you can trust to get the job done properly. We've been working with Severkin for 2 years now and very happy with the quality and the job the Nimbo X does on farm, pushing silage into cows when they most need it.
Hi there, I'm Elaine Watt. I farm here in partnership with my husband Robert Watt and his uncle. We milk about 200 cows, there or thereabouts. We have about 400 acres owned and milk twice a day through a 1632 de Laval swingover. We do as much of the work ourselves. We had actually been down at Carlisle Expo last year and we'd saw it sitting, we'd done the figures. There wasn't really much thought to it. It was a no-brainer because when night time comes, we finish up, go and have our dinner at night, sit down, Robert comes out and checks cows about 10, 11 o'clock at night, and that's the last silage is pushed in till we get back up the next morning. So you have a 5-6 hour window where there's no fresh feed put to the cows. The Nimbo is fine, it works, it does what it's supposed to do. There was absolutely no problems. It carried on, it done the job, made Robert's life so much easier. We could go, do the jobs, check cows, do silage, and he didn't need to stop, push silage in 3 or 4 times a day as had always happened before. But sitting and working out through the figures, we reckon we'll probably have gained about half a litre, and we're certainly taking out less waste silage on a weekly basis. We reckon previously there would be about a tonne of waste silage a week coming out. We reckon we're down to about 300 kilos a week, and we can only put that down to the more regular push-ups, especially through the night. The cows don't have the option to kind of sort it and reject more. We have a great service.
Happy cows.
Absolutely. It's a great reputation with them, so it was really a no-brainer for us to continue that relationship working with them. I would recommend the Nimbo to anyone that asked. It has given us no problems, support's there, it's a no-brainer. It's just another member of the family.